Hi everyone. Children, please open page number 44, language workbook. Page number 44. 4 and 4, 44. Are you ready, children? So get your pencil and let's get started. Fill in the blanks. Change the Y to I and then add ES. In this we have to add only S, and in this we have to change the Y into I, then add ES. Okay, you should not write Y. The sound is I over here. I'll teach you. One has done for you. Bride, brides. Crow, crows. Cr, o, crows. Crab, cr, ab, scraps. Crop, cr, or crops. Dream, dr, im, dreams. Two vowel. Okay, here one vowel. So smile, two vowel, dash and slash. Dr, im, dream, add s. Here, fly, fill, I, instead of Y, here I, ES, fly. Here, fry, fur, I, fur, sound is I, ES. Dr, I, you have to write the sound of Y, okay, ES. Dries, cr, I, ES, cries. Tr, I, ES. Okay, fly, fill, I. Sound you have to write, sound, I, ES. Fur, I, fries. Dr, I, dries. Cr, I, cries. Tr, I, tries. Okay, here only add S. Crow, crows. Crab, crabs. Crop, crops. Dream, dreams. Bride, brides. Fill in the blanks with is or are. Now we will read. My granddad dash old. My granddad is single. Alone is alone, granddad. The crops dash so green. The crops are so green. Are many. There dash so many cracks on the wall. There are many cracks, no? There are so many cracks on the wall. The train dash on the fast track. The train is single. One train is. We will read together. My granddad is old. The crops are so green. There are so many cracks on the wall. The train is on the fast track. Rewrite the sentences correctly, starting with capital, ending with full stop or question mark. Br add Brad is gl add glad to be home. We will read first. Brad is glad to be home. Now full stop, starting with capital. It is not a question, it is a simple sentence. Br, add, start with B, capital B. Brad, same to same, rest all same to same. Brad is glad to be home. Then full stop, starting with capital, ending with full stop. If you find middle any name of the person or country, that time you have to start with capital. is please. Will you stand and to pray. Okay, pray. Please, P is capital, starting with capital, same to same. Please. Will you stand to pray? This is asking question, okay? Requesting, but you have to write question mark. Please, will you stand to pray? Now, did you see my English notebook? This also asking question. This sentence is ending with question mark. Did. D is capital. Did you see? Someone is asking question. Did you see my English notebook? Now English. E write with capital. English notebook. Question. Now Miss Dolly will be teaching us English. Here see M is capital. Dolly name of the teacher. D capital. Then English capital. Okay. Miss M is capital. Miss Dolly. D is capital. Will name of the person. Okay. That's why D. B teaching us English. E is capital. And this is a simple sentence, so you can put full stop. Full stop, okay? Now, we will read together. Brad is glad to be home. Full stop. Starting with capital, ending with full stop. Please, will you stand to pray? Question mark. Did you see my English notebook? Question. D is capital. See my English. E is capital. Notebook. Miss Dolly will be teaching us English. Miss Dolly will be teaching us English. Full stop. M is capital. Miss Dolly will be teaching us English. Children, once again go through this worksheet and learn. One and many, that is called singular and plural. Is and are. And rewrite the sentences correctly. Thank you.